we've all got those projects, the ones stuck in a box or at the back of the closet. They're not there because you don't like them. They're there because they're just not quite finished. My Victorian wrapper dress is definitely an example. I had a strict deadline for finishing this dress over a year ago, and what do you know, I met the deadline, but the dress really didn't get finished. I just got it to the point that it appeared finished for the video. I pinned it together, took some video and photos, and then moved on to the next project and deadline. So what do you do with these projects stuck in an unfinished state? My current thinking involves leave them there until you have time. That's kind of good in theory, but let's face it, we all know that the truth of that statement is actually you've got to make the time. But I've got a new theory. What if you just find another deadline which will make you make the time to finish it? I'm probably a bad influence, so I'm sorry. But anyway, that's what happened here. I wanted to wear this dress to a small murder mystery dinner party set in the 1890s. So out came the dress, some needles, thread, clasps, and what do you know? I finished this dress completely. After all that time of sitting in the closet and waiting to be finished, and me procrastinating about doing the finished work, all it needed was less than a day of work. A simple sewing up of the hem, binding to cover some raw edges, and a few, well, more than a few, hooks and eyes attached to the closure. So whether you choose to make the time, or set a new deadline which makes you make the time, here's to finishing those unfinished projects staring back at you from a hidden box or the back of the closet.